Visual Studio installer. Go to modify. So now if you see what we have installed is desktop development using C++. Now we want to enable MFC feature. So along with this a component, what is default selected, if you see here, this included C++ core desktop features and some of the optional features which were installed in previous installation. Now we have to enable this feature C++ MFC. Once you check this option, you will see here total space required is increased from 0 to 1.23 GB. Click on the modify. Now you can see here, so it's around 273 MB. So, and total 24 packages are going to install out of 24. As of progress, 3 has been installed or download has been completed. Now it started installation. So it's just enabling the one or more feature from C++ development. Yes, it is finishing up. So it will take 2 to 3 minutes maximum. But make sure you have full speed internet. Our installation has been completed. So now we can go here and launch to see whether our new feature has been installed practically or no. So here in the create new project, you can find this MFC app, MFC dynamic link library, MFC actives control. These all feature has been installed newly.